In this tutorial, you will learn how to properly use a microscope to observe microorganisms. But before jumping in and getting started, you must first learn to recognize the various parts and functions of the microscope itself. First, we have the eyepiece, which you will look through to view your samples. Within the eyepiece, there is the eyepiece lens, which provides a 10 times magnification. The space between the two eyepieces is called the interpupillary distance. You will need to adjust the interpupillary distance using the knob next to or below the eyepiece so that you can comfortably look into the microscope. In addition to the 10 times magnification provided by the eyepiece lens, your sample will also be magnified using one of 4 objective lenses. These lenses usually come with magnifications of 4x, 10x, 40x, and 100x. Each lens's magnification combines with the magnification of the eyepiece lens to result in the final magnification. Beneath the objective lenses lies the stage, which is where you will place your slides for viewing. On most microscopes, the stage will have metal clips to hold a slide in place. To the left and right of the stage, there should also be knobs to move the stage to the left and right and up and down, which are called the x-axis and y-axis knobs. These knobs will help you center your sample for viewing. Next, you should notice 2 large knobs on either side of the stage. These are the coarse adjustment knobs. They will help you find an approximate position for the stage before you use the fine adjustment knobs, the small ones just within, to bring your specimen into finer focus. Lastly, beneath the stage there is the light and condenser. The light helps you to view your specimen better, and the condenser is used to adjust the amount of light you can see. Now that we have reviewed the parts of the microscope, we are going to learn how to power on and use it. Carry the microscope to your desk, placing one hand around the neck and one beneath the base. This is the only acceptable way to carry a microscope. Next, unwrap the power cord and plug it in. Then, rotate the eyepieces to the front. Find the power switch and power the microscope on. Then, switch to the lowest level objective lens and using the coarse adjustment knob, put the stage to its highest position. Next, place your prepared slide onto the stage and clip it into place. Use the x-axis and y-axis knobs to move the specimen on the slide into the light path. Looking through the right eyepiece with your left eye closed, use the coarse adjustment knob to bring the specimen into approximate or fuzzy focus. Then use the fine adjustment knob to bring the specimen into sharp focus. Next, looking through the left eyepiece with your right eye closed, find the diopter adjustment ring on the eyepiece and adjust it slowly to bring the specimen into even sharper focus. Note the diopter number. Now adjust the interpupillary distance of the eyepieces by moving them towards or away from each other. Note your interpupillary distance so that you can quickly duplicate it later. Now you can examine your specimen and record your observations. Once you're done, switch to the next objective you want to observe with. Adjust the light intensity as desired using the condenser. And readjust your focus with only the fine focus knobs. Now you can examine your specimen again. Repeat this procedure as you switch to each successive objective lens. With the 100x lens, you may need to use a drop of oil to allow the lens to glide smoothly on top of the slide. Remember that only lens paper should be used to wipe the lenses, not Kim wipes. Once you are done viewing your specimen, move the stage all the way down to the lowest position and remove the slide. Clean the lenses with 95% ethanol solution and lens paper. Then rotate the lowest power objective to the front, put the light back down to its lowest setting, and finally turn off the microscope. Unplug the cord, wrap it up, and return your microscope to its proper place.